What is up, everybody? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And guys, today we're going to be unboxing a new pair of Airpod replicas that I've been working on. I've been working hand in hand with the factory, and I want to set the expectation for people that don't know who I am or people that are just seeing me for the first time, right, on this platform. I don't play, okay? And what I mean by I don't play, I don't have time to source AirPods from the same place others are sourcing them from. Now, what do I mean by that? So I want you to think of it like this. I own a store in Philadelphia, right? Phone store, okay? We sell phones, we repair phones, we sell electronics and etc., right? Let's just say that I go to AliExpress to get all of my products. And then let's say down the street, there's another phone store, and that phone store literally goes to the same vendor at AliExpress. And we have the same exact products. When a customer goes into my store and goes into their store, at that point, the only way we can compete is price-wise, right? And that is one of the biggest reasons I stopped in around 2016 even looking for AirPod replicas on AliExpress and Alibaba and all of these other websites, DHgate. I don't look for those because I understand everybody has them. And when everybody has something, it makes your product lose value. And you would have to start dwindling your profit down. We want to stop that. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what replicas we have at hustlertaughtme.com. These are $38 each. These are something that I was able to cook up and start building and actually helping people make a bunch of money with. And I want to show you how. What I want to talk about first is packaging, okay? Packaging used to be everything when it came to AirPod replicas, but I'm going to be honest with y'all, right now it's not. Why? Because if you go on Facebook Marketplace right now and you go on OfferUp right now and you look at AirPod replica post, you just type in AirPod Gen 2, right? There's a whole bunch of different products that look the same, and packaging has become less and less needed as far as oh, well, let me make sure that the serial number works. Let me make sure that the headphones are the right size and they're the right. Listen. All of these replicas look the same. They look the same. Am I lying or am I not lying? I'm not lying. They all look the same. So what I like to actually emphasize is make sure the weight is good. Make sure that the AirPods look something similar to this. Make sure they have the green arrow right here. I actually tore the green arrow off because I'm about to actually open these for you. But it's a green little arrow tab that you guys know Apple is famous for having on most of their products. You want to make sure it's on here. If it does come in plastic, tear that plastic off. Do not give it to a consumer with the plastic on there, okay? Now, when it comes to packaging, it's important that when you are listing these online and when you're going to try and post these on places like Facebook, places like eBay, right? You want to make sure that you do not put this up just like this. No, you want to put it up as a stock photo. So you know those pictures you see on eBay or Amazon where there's no box, it's just the AirPods and it's just behind a white background. That's what you want to do. You want to make sure that is the first picture that's on your listing, or your listing will get taken down. So what we're seeing right now as of June 1st is that a lot of websites are taking down replicas that have the box in the picture. I don't know why. This is a theory we've been working on and we've been seeing, me and my mentees, and I'm just giving y'all that gem, is just to make sure that you're not just taking the picture of the box and putting it up. Now, don't get me wrong, you can still put the picture of the box up, but make sure that the generic, the first picture that you see when you are looking at listings is that AirPod Pro headphone like this with just a white background, and that will help your post stay up. All right, so I have the replicas here. I just want to unbox these, and again, guys, the box don't matter. That's why you know I would have two boxes here right now, one with the arrow, one open. I just don't feel like doing that right now. And I also understand that it's not that important. When you open the box, guys, make sure it has this barcode here. Very, very important. As you guys see, when I tore the green arrow off, this little piece of paper was torn as well, as far as right here too. You want to make sure that green arrow that you're tearing off of these boxes, or that you have on your box, is really, really high quality, because you have some that are just stickers. And when you try to rip it off, so when you would try and rip it off, it would just literally all come off at once. That's not the way you want it. You want it to be a little tear, okay? That's how you know that is good quality, okay? Also, you have the serial number here, right? You want to make sure this serial number is the same serial number that's going to be on the AirPod Pros, okay? Very important. Now, when it comes to signage, we all know most replicas have the signage, okay? Because this isn't hard to get. You can literally copy this, okay? Like these factories, they're literally just copying it out of the box, okay, of original, and they're just putting the same pamphlet in. But also make sure that it has the Apple Loop address at the back of this pamphlet. Little small details, okay? Now, when you open it up, you want to make sure it is in this little nice plastic, okay? You want to open this up, same exact thing that it is on every single AirPod replica. Let's be honest, guys. A lot of these AirPod replicas, the small details are the things that they're missing, not things like this, because this isn't small. Like the charger isn't small, that's regular. You'll see a lot of AirPod replicas that have these type of chargers. Also, the earbuds. You'll see a lot of AirPod replicas that have those. But again, AirPod quality is really important. A lot of them are not this hard plastic that this is, okay? This is a really good plastic that you can actually see is something that is very comparable to the regular replicas from Apple, okay? So let me close that up, and let's go and let's open this, okay? So I actually let people actually see these when it goes to them looking in my store. I get a lot of you guys that come into my store and actually buy replicas from me too, which is awesome. All right, so here we go. Now, we want to make sure that this is going to have the design by Apple, and assembly and all of those texts. Yes, you want to make sure they're there, but you also want to make sure that it is the right color, gray. I see one that was purple. You want to make sure it's the right quality. And as y'all just heard, when you open it up, you hear a nice little sound. Also, when you go ahead and take these out, you can put them back in and see the metal pull, the little magnetic feel. That's important for me personally with AirPods, is that's how I know that I got some real official AirPods. Also, as you guys see, you have the writing. Let me see if I can get it for you. The writing with the serial number, you see? I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, there we go. The writing with the serial number. This has to match with the box, okay? Very important. Like little details, guys, that's what makes ours at hustlertoldme.com better than everybody else's. Because if you get somebody that buys them from you, right, and they're like, you know what, I got this for a deal and a steal, but I'm gonna make sure that they didn't sell me no cheap ones. I already know to look in here. You see what I'm saying? Like they will literally, and then if they look and it's not real, then they want a refund. And this is what happens when they want a refund. They want a refund, but they never send you the AirPods back. I'm telling you, 9 times out of 10, I never get the AirPods back. All right. Now, this is a great quality, and it's built throughout the time, okay? Because I'm gonna tell you, I started selling AirPod reps in like 2000, I don't even know, like maybe 2016, I believe. But they were just not the best quality. And I remember how it happened. Somebody walked into my store and said, hey, I got AirPods for sale. And I thought they were real, and it was fake the whole time. And the quality was crappy. But like now, as I grew and had returns once upon a time, now I don't get any returns. The people that buy these, I haven't had one person tell me they had a return with these AirPod replicas. And also, sound quality is awesome. Now, let's talk about another thing to look out for, which I'll make a video saying what to look out for with replicas. But these, they have true speakers. So this is not a fake speaker. Okay? This is not a fake speaker. This is not a fake speaker. You also have the controls right here where you go up and down. Some of them don't really work. Some of them, when you put the AirPod replica in your ear and you start working out, the AirPod replica stops working because it doesn't have the sensor that knows when you take it out and take it in. The sensor, oh, hold on. The sensor is cheap, okay? And we make sure we got that high quality, okay? So make sure that the speakers are real, please, okay? Also, this has Find My iPhone. It also has Hey Siri, of course, and this is something you'll be able to work out with. You'll be able to use on an everyday basis. Now, how do you know that your replica is good? Take it out, go make a phone call. Ask somebody, can they hear you clearly? If they can't hear you clearly, don't sell it. I promise you, don't sell it. Another way, if you go take the AirPods to the gym, go work out, get on the bike, get on the treadmill, right? If the AirPods stop working, they're not good for you. They're not good. They're going to get returned. Don't sell them. All right, guys, so those are the AirPod replicas. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you guys continue to make money work for you. Again, I will try to make a video letting you guys know what to look out for, and if you're buying replicas or if you're being sold a replica, because I know there are people that actually go on OfferUp, they look for things to flip, they may find that AirPod Pro Gen 2, and when they go to the meetup, they can't tell whether it's real or if it's fake. I'll show you how to do that as well in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.